Yes. Going to the shoreline, it's only 4 feet to 2 feet. Now, do we have a designated lifeguards? Yes, of course. We have a professional well trained. But, can you see them? No. Because of the skin color of the fish. Yes. Thank you very much. Now, do we have a life vest? Yes, we have. We are very complete here in Astoria Water Park because we give everything with love. Yes. Now, we have the aqua slides, which is the vortex and velocity. The green and orange one, that is the vortex. What are we using? It is the salvavida, or in English? Oh my goodness, lifeguard. Inflatable boats. Oh my goodness. And then, oh my goodness, inflatable boats. Oh. And then, the green and yellow one, that is the velocity. Now, how many feet? 100 feet for the velocity. Vortex is 200 feet. Going to the bottom. Yay! Now, we use the salvavida or lifeguard daw by ma'am to the vortex. Yes. Sa velocities na hindi pa na ginagamit natin. Sa aqua, from the other side of the circle. Yes. Tapos may simple infrared po din tayo, which is salvavida ang ginagamit po natin. Now, where shall we have our lunch for the walk-ins? Or sa mga ganyan po limit? Sa Aquacela po. At 11:30. Sino nagluluto ng ulam? Nandito na po. Nakatayo. Ano secret ingredients? Asin. Oh. But, masarap naman. Kidding aside, masarap naman lahat ng ulam dito. Alright. So, are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. Right this way for the entrance.
Yes!